Black minimalist homes, nature and modern design combined in stunning mountain retreats. Introduction: Exploring Black minimalist homes in mountain retreats. Welcome to ByGSTD, where we dive deep into architectural marvels and stylish interiors. In today's video, we're exploring the striking world of Black minimalist homes. These homes blend nature with modern design, creating serene mountain retreats that are both stylish and functional. If you're captivated by minimalist aesthetics and nature-inspired design, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below to join our community and keep up with our latest content. Embracing minimalism in Black, a modern approach. Minimalism has become a defining feature of contemporary architecture, and Black minimalist homes are a striking example of this trend. The use of black as the primary color in these designs creates a sleek and bold statement, emphasizing clean lines and geometric forms. This approach not only makes a dramatic visual impact but also complements the natural surroundings of mountain retreats. The absence of excessive decoration allows the raw beauty of the materials and the landscape to take center stage. Integrating nature, the harmony of Black and the outdoors. One of the most compelling aspects of Black minimalist homes is their ability to harmonize with nature. These designs often feature large windows and open spaces that invite natural light and views of the surrounding landscape. The dark exterior contrasts beautifully with the greenery of the mountains, creating a harmonious balance between man-made structures and the natural environment. This integration ensures that the home feels like a seamless part of the landscape rather than an intrusion. Material choices, combining functionality with aesthetics. The materials used in Black minimalist homes play a crucial role in their overall design. Commonly used materials include concrete, steel, and glass, which offer durability and a modern aesthetic. These materials are chosen not only for their visual appeal but also for their ability to withstand the elements of mountainous regions. The combination of these materials with the black color scheme enhances the home's minimalist design while ensuring it remains practical and resilient. Architectural features, clean lines and geometric forms. Black minimalist homes often emphasize clean lines and geometric forms, which are central to minimalist design principles. These architectural features create a sense of order and simplicity, enhancing the home's modern aesthetic. The use of these design elements also helps to maximize the functionality of the space, making it both visually appealing and practical. This approach is particularly effective in mountain retreats, where the focus is on creating a serene and uncluttered environment. Interior design, maintaining minimalism indoors. The minimalist theme continues inside Black homes, where interior design focuses on simplicity and functionality. Furnishings are often sleek and modern, with an emphasis on form and function. The use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, complements the Black color scheme and adds warmth to the interior. This combination of minimalist design and natural elements creates a cohesive and inviting living space that remains true to the home's overall aesthetic. Creating a connection with the surroundings. In mountain retreats, the connection between the home and its surroundings is crucial. Black minimalist homes achieve this by incorporating design elements that frame and highlight the natural landscape. Large windows, open floor plans, and strategically placed outdoor spaces ensure that the beauty of the mountains is always visible and accessible. This connection enhances the overall experience of living in a mountain retreat, making it a place of relaxation and tranquility. Sustainable design, environmental considerations. Sustainability is an important consideration in modern architecture, and Black minimalist homes often incorporate eco-friendly design principles. The use of energy-efficient materials and technologies, as well as the integration of renewable energy sources, helps to minimize the home's environmental impact. Additionally, the focus on natural light and ventilation reduces the need for artificial lighting and climate control, further contributing to the home's sustainability. Customizing black minimalist homes, personal touches. While black minimalist homes adhere to a specific design aesthetic, there is still room for personalization. Homeowners can add their unique touch through custom furnishings, artwork, and landscaping. These personal elements allow the home to reflect the owner's style and preferences while maintaining the core principles of minimalist design. Customizing the space ensures that the home remains a personal sanctuary that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Conclusion: the appeal of black minimalist mountain retreats. In conclusion, black minimalist homes offer a unique blend of modern design and natural beauty, creating stunning retreats in mountainous landscapes. The combination of sleek, dark exteriors with natural surroundings results in a striking visual contrast that enhances both the home and its environment. If you enjoyed exploring these architectural marvels, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Join us for more exciting content on architecture and design.